dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Kogi state government has called out the Economic and Financial Crime Commission over what they describe as Gùnsh0t of the immediate past governor Yaya Bello. Moving on, we have a Gùnsh0t, then chaos before Kogi student kidnapping. All right, my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as they hot. In case it's your first time of joining us on this wonderful channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and also remember to turn notification bell so that anytime we drop our news, now you could be the first to watch them. My people, don't be small matter they happen for this country. My people, the matter where I carry on give on now the matter wey concern the past governor of Kogi State, Yaya Bello. There was a statement was made by the Commissioner for Information in Kogi State, Kingsley Fawo, on Friday that claimed that the Gùnsh0t was orchestrated by some political actors and around the presidency bid on destroying the image of the former governor, Yaya Bello. He said that the world would be eager to know why the commission was trying so hard to find what was not missing, insisting that their funds were not missing, and he called on EFCC to desist from mentioning the name of Kogi State in its ongoing persecution. So they believe that this ignoble agenda is unknown to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who trusted those people with power with the hope that they will use it judiciously for the greatness of our nations. So unfortunately, they have decided to use the privilege given to them as tools for political vendetta. The commissioner said that the amendment charges in which the name of the former governor, Bello Yaya, was mentioned are false, frivolous, fictitious, and far from the truth. That they are cook-up charges that signpost their desperation to call a dog a bad name to hang it. The intention was to sensitize the whole scenario and promote a media war against the former governor, Yaya Bello, and other officials of government. And now they have seen how the EFCC and their paymaster can go to pander to the political agenda of those afraid of the rising profile of Alhaji Yaya Bello. The state government called on the president Bola Ahmed Tinubu to order a special probe into what is happening in Kogi State before the EFCC push into being used as a hire gun by political hawks who are acting a selfish and over-ambitious script. But where is the money that EFCC recover? Where is it going to? Person will spoil government road because of election. His father is the president and EFCC is controlled by his father. So, let me ask one question. All the other governors that EFCC have arrested, which one has ever actually convicted? Or rather, how many of them have been convicted? So EFCC should stop deceiving Nigerians. These politicians never goes to jail for their looting and corruption. That is the truth. Now, the martyrs are saying that they don't understand why EFCC never arranged this guy since, that he still went on to impose his cousin to be the chief of staff. Even if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu no go do anything for Kogi people, make him just allow EFCC deal with Yaya Bello. And every Kogitite will be grateful. Let me categorically say this. Nothing and absolutely nothing will happen. This man will walk freely as others have done. Even pit toilet, the good people of Kogi State no see. Yaya Bello and Gbas have been the worst performing governors ever. What is scary is that the current Kogi governor doesn't strike me as one who, would do something for his people. Obviously, Yaya Bello stole more than that. They can't do this man shit. But to be chasing, breaking into people's house, that is what EFCC knows how to do best. More assistance now, billions no be anything for these politicians and again. Who else noticed how they have been shifting from billions to trillions gradually? At this matter to be now, if Yaya Bello take 14 billion and alleviate 100 families out of poverty to do small business, each family will get 700,000 to do small thing, very small. But no. It's a lie. Our leader will take what they can't even finish. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. According to the kidnapping that happened in Kogi, the kidnapping of students and teachers, they said that after rising and singing the national anthem, the students were just about to settle into their classes when the gunshot rang out. Then chaos erupted. It was around 8 o'clock a.m. when dozens of government dressed in military uniform rode on bikes into the school ground in Kogi, 100 kilometers outside Kaduna. More gunmen arrived from the rear on foot, blocking all axes as shots were fired into the air. By the time the early morning attack was over, more than 280 school children had been rounded up and kidnapped by the armed group in the latest mass abduction. It was one of the largest recent Mass kidnapping by gunmen, where criminals gangs target schools, colleges and highways as they hunt for large groups of victims to make ransom demand. Security forces were still, hunting for Kuriga school victims in forests that spread across Kaduna and other states on Sunday. In Kaduna, Kuriga's unfenced school, with its dilapidated 5 blocks, house primary and secondary school section, security was basic, as in many such rural schools. They initially thought they were soldiers, and they began hailing them and shouting, "May God be with you," says Mariam Usman, an 11-year-old pupil who escaped. She said that then the bandits began shooting in the air as they attacked the school, where 1,000 school children were about to start classes. Children and teachers scattered to escape. Some, including Usman, hid in a nearby homes, but the attackers pursued them and dragged them out, hitting them with whips. One of the men held on to Usman's hijab and started dragging her on the ground while she tried to resist. Later on, she then managed to remove her hijab and ran off. That is how she escaped. Mustafa Abubakar had just taken his seat in the class when he saw that a convoy of almost 20 motorcycles with men in military uniforms coming into the school. Abubakar, an 18-year-old secondary school student, was among the 100 seized by the attackers, and they headed into the forest as they were beaten with horsewhips, but he managed to escape. First of all, let me start by saying where these gunmen came from. How many are they, and how did they manage to control 280 children and lead them into the bush? All these are starting to become lies, because it will never be easy to control 280 young children below the age of 16 to 17. Is the community closer to the bush? If it's true that these children were kidnapped, what are they feeding on now? And how did they manage to move 280 children with no trace in the community? Hey, if you have ever been to a rural secondary school, you will understand that it will not be easy to control 280 children in a coordinated manner and lead them into the bush. Some of them will run to a different area because they won't have any idea of what is going on. So tell me, how did it happen that there was no one who could point out the movement of those children? Where are the parents of these children? Where are the teachers in this school? Where are the local securities? We did not even see any single video of this event. Now, one useless cleric is coming out to tell the government that he's ready to negotiate with them. Someone that believed that this is not a planned game to collect money from the government. My people, not be smart saying I will see for this country. This is hard work of police, army, security people, emirs and traditional rulers, honestly, to make sure that those abducted children return back to their various homes. And I wonder how their teachers was not mentioned in the scene. Looking at the roof in this classroom, we need to arrest the local government chairman, the governor of that state, the Commission of Education in that state, and the President of Nigeria, and them for crimes against humanity. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment, awareness, stay safe, guys. Bye.